hereby approve and confirm you as elementary graduates. This 12th day of April 2025.
With all the rights,
honors, privileges
hereunto appertaining. Henceforth, therefore, you are now eligible for transfer or admission to any secondary school, may it be public or private institution offering junior high school in the Republic of the Philippines. Congratulations and Godspeed.
Once again, congratulations, graduates. Today signifies the culmination of many years of hard work and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Knowledge that will enable